Dear all, some of you reached out to me seeking for more clarity on suffering. So, here is my one request for a moment. Please drop all the past learning about this word. Now, listen to what I'm going to say with a fresh perspective because this is the foundation of understanding the upcoming things, especially the term karma. I promise this will shift in the perspective how you see this word and also be transformative. Now, let me come up with an example. We previously defined suffering as when expectation doesn't meet reality. Now, let's see this with an example. Imagine a young, ambitious, and confident person preparing for interview. He feels very positive, gives his best, but the result rejection. He experiences disappointment, a mental suffering indeed. Correct, na? After a few days, he regroups himself, tries again, but faces another rejection. Then another and another. 10 unsuccessful attempts. With each failure, his expectation takes a hit. Natural only, na? And suffering imprints deeper into his mind. This repeated disappointment reshapes his thinking. He starts questioning his skills, doubting himself, and naturally his expectation also lowers. Now he expects very less. At the background, what is happening? He also suffers less. But here is a key. This isn't about he becoming pessimistic or even better, predictive. He's not thinking like I failed 10 times, so the 11th time also I will fail. So why I try? He's not becoming predictive. Or he may become predictive, but there is a very better alternative to this, which is coming to a reactive mindset. Let me do my duty. Whatever comes, I will accept. This is the reactive mindset. Now ask yourself, is the person still suffering? Got it? Got it. Now listen to this again. You will have better insight in what I do. Suffering and karma is like a loop. Okay. The suffering that leads to karma, it isn't just pain. It is a attachment to a craving, whether good or bad. This is very important. I'll repeat this sentence. Suffering which is leading to karma, na, it is like a craving. Let it be a, which is coming out of a good experience or bad experience. Okay. The mind goes for the repeated experience of this thing, trapping itself in a cycle. This loop is where karma is born, seeing repeated actions again and again. See, there is a very beautiful philosophy, not even philosophy, it is a real thing happening. Okay, we will explain about that in the karma section. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you.